So if you want to use PowerPoint as a whiteboard, there's this option here under the draw ribbon. You see that? Under the draw ribbon, you have some markers here. You have two different pens. You have a pencil, I believe. Let me see. Yes, a pencil, a highlighter, and a very special highlighter, pen, actually. This one is more decorative, okay? So the reason why you have two different markers here are for easy access. One could be black, one could be blue. Before you begin the class, you can have these preset. If I click on one of the markers, notice how it gives me this little down arrow key. This is for more options. If I click on that, I can control how thick I'd like it. So just for example, there's that line. Here's this one. Here's the third.
But I like how mathematical notation was showing before. Can we include it?
Sure. I'll do this one first, and then I'll jump into the mathematics. Okay. So again, there's two markers just for ease of use if you want to quickly access. You can add more, but we'll just keep it to these right here. Of course, you can change the color, and if you want special effects, you can do some pretty fancy marks as well.
And where is eraser?
Eraser is over here at the very top left.
Okay.
And there's should be two different options. There's stroke eraser, small eraser, medium, and segment. If you want to delete the whole subject, you would do stroke eraser. So you can click anywhere and it would delete the whole thing. However, if you do something like medium eraser, it'll just erase that portion. Okay, so you want to be mindful of that. Typically,
medium is. What about small? If I want just to erase small things.
Yeah, it's just the size of the small eraser. Probably it's hard to see, but look it over here on the left.
I see it.
I see the small eraser.
So, but if I just want to delete one letter, say.
Right. Okay. So we have those marks right there.